How could you be so cold? I got no pass on roll. I wanna travel the globe. I'ma go and be mode. I wanna put my hand on you. I wanna run that money on too. I send low cash back on through. Yeah, bring co-friend with you. Yeah, I'ma have fun with you. Yeah, so I get comfortable. How can you be so cold? How can you handle heart? How can you handle feeling?
What's good, YouTube? SSS getting back at it with another video. Today we're gonna be doing some jet skis. Yes, sir. Me and my boy AJ better get into the waters. Test the waters real quick here.
Me and what's the name? I don't know about what's the name, but I can't swim for shit. And I'm like I hope these life jackets.
They call me Michael Phelps, bro.
Tell them.
With the swimmers.
Gold medalist?
With the ball.
What, is Squim good right now?
Yeah, well, I know how to do all the swims in the waters. Oh, look how nice it is.
Oh my god.
Look at the jets look. Oh, like
What?
there's waves.
You're lying.
Wallahi.
I'm not going.
What do you mean?
Why would I do that?
There's waves, AJ.
The fuck?
Oh my god.
Yo, somebody told me yesterday they fell off, bro.
Who?
This one nigga. He told me he fell off when he came here yesterday, bro.
Did he die?
I don't know. He looked alive. But,
You know when you fall off, right? You're still attached to the jet ski
I hope you are. Look.
because they put a string on it.
I'm be honest with you, bro. This is some white people shit. You do not see anybody black here. There's nobody got it, bro. Fuck, bro. That shit's crazy. But it's a beautiful day here at what city you in? Mounds?
Yeah.
That shit crazy.
This is where the Caucasians live. This is their part of town, bro.
Weird people.
God, bro, it looks nice out here, though.
I'm gonna be honest with you, bro.
What? They have a gas station out here?
Swear to God.
This
This is crazy, though. Like, what city are we closest to right now? Like, Golden Valley?
Hell, bro, we're out the waters, but look at this city of Orono.
Where's Orono?
What are we asking?
Like, are we up there or down in Minnesota? Like, are we going up?
We passed Minnetonka, bro.
So Minnetonka's down there, right?
Yeah.
So we're going.
We're just absolutely insane.
We just vibing. You remember those gas stations? Huh?
Look.
Where? Show the people.
Plymouth. So where we come from?
Let the camera.
We came from right here.
Yeah.
Oh, we went up.
That's what I'm saying.
But Edina isn't in Eden Prairie in Plymouth and Shakopee.
That's what I'm saying.
But Shore View.
What I'm saying.
Yeah, we went up.
But why are there two holidays right across from each other? This is bad business.
How? And whatever that is, bro.
I don't know what that is.
I'm no code. No code.
But listen though,
How about lungs and barrels?
London Byerly. You know, I applied today. I never got a job.
But they don't hire your kind, bro.
Yeah, bro.
They're like the feminists and the gay supporters.
The what?
The
No, those need to go, bro. I don't like those, bro. those are like God, bro.
God,
thought.
Are they human? Is the real question.
What? They're not human, bro.
Would it support their kind?
Yeah, bro. Feminists are just not it, bro.
How about
Low-key. But like, all jokes aside though, like, what did you used to do at gas stations? I heard you used to scam gas stations and get a full tank.
Oh, are you mistaking me for you
What?
criminal?
I never
I
did
literally
that.
I have footage of you.
What?
I have footage of you stealing gas.
Pull it up right now.
Someone look at this thief. Look at this thief. Go. Skirt up. Take it right there.
No, they won't. They don't care. They don't care
Mr.
about
Donald
you.
Trump will be coming for you.
No, they don't care about them.
They care about that.
They don't care
You
about them.
criminal. You try to say I'm the criminal. You're the only criminal here.
I'm not a criminal, bro.
Yes, you are.
So Minnesota actually has 10,000 lakes though. Like, or is that just like cap?
That's not a cap. That's an actual thing. The whole Minnesota and counting each one.
That's
And he
crazy.
named them all. Who gave him that power?
I don't know.
Why couldn't they name one after me?
Low key.
Or after my third leg?
They named a restaurant after you though.
It don't matter though.
Like
I want a lake. A whole lake that's mine.
That's crazy.
You know what I do, inshallah, when I get rich?
As you guys see, Sharkville is not here today.
We installed the shut the bulk of it.
I don't know where he went, to be honest with you. He's just not here today. He's probably out with his girlfriend.
We've officially entered Mounds. Look at this.
What is that, bro? What the hell is a mount? That is crazy.
They have apartments available here. You wanna go here?
Why would I want to live here, bro?
Why not? It's
So far away, bro. I swear to God, I have not seen one black person. I'm not even kidding. Like no, all jokes aside, there's not even one black person in this city.
Because the black people, they like to live in civilization, unlike these Caucasians.
They are Caucasians. Never mind. I'm not gonna show you guys that. I want to be right. Bro, it's a 44-minute drive. Can you believe that?
Just for a video. Come on, look what we do for you guys.
Yeah, you guys are ungrateful little fucks. I'll be honest with you.
How about the veterinarian?
And you know, we don't clickbait you bastards. We need to start clickbaiting you bastards. God, little fucking bat.
Caleb's.
Oh God.
God, I hope you guys don't make it to next. Never mind.
Never mind. We love you guys. Don't let what's his name scare you off. We're good YouTube. We're good people. We're good people.
What was that?
I don't know. Did you have a seizure? Did you have a seizure?
A seizure?
A seizure.
A seizure?
A seizure.
A seizure?
What is that?
Huh? God, you shouldn't have been past 12.
Linwood Boulevard.
What is that?
No, it's crazy.
Like if I could kiss the weather, I would kiss this weather.
It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day to go jet skiing. I'm not gonna lie to you guys.
Oh, Bay Rental is right here.
Swear.
Swear to God.
Hit it. Well, you know, like a bunch of.
A little. That's the wrong place,
Damn. Somebody forgot how to drive.
Watch your tongue.
I'm not pointing any finger.
Watch your tongue.
But somebody forgot how to drive.
God, I'll leave you here with the Caucasians.
No, don't, never that. No, I feel like I would be like, you know, like that movie, like if I ever got pulled over and harassed, you know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Slim and Queen?
Yeah, that movie, Slim and Queen.
Would you blow the cops' brains off?
Alright guys,
Watch yourself.
we're here. We're gonna see you in a little bit after we rent it. Look at that. Like,
every criminals will pay $9,000 for jet skis.
bro, did you know what I'm gonna do?
I'm a truck dealer.
You're what?
Huh? Nothing. You heard nothing. Stop.
He does the trucks. Well, listen, all jokes aside though, if I push you off, like,
Why would you even say that?
I'm pushing you off.
Why would you even say such a thing?
I'm pushing you off. You know I didn't even sign my name?
Huh?
I didn't sign my name. I signed my teacher's name.
Good job.
I'm gonna push you off.
Take your socks off.
Oh yeah.
I fell in love with him. I wasn't hear none of that. Yeah. So, as you guys can see, we are ready to hit the slopes. You know. So, yeah, what are your thoughts?
I'm gonna push one of those guys off.
We're gonna run into them with this.
On purpose.
Oh my God.
You think they would charge me if I was to drown one of them?
Apparently, we have to put this in our phones so we don't drop it somewhere in the, you know, the lake.
But we will try to get like 2 minutes of footage for y'all.
Yeah, we'll try to get as much footage as possible.
Yeah.
Because we will be going 99 million miles per hour.
We will be here to there in 10 seconds.
We might swim to Somalia.
We will break all the laws. That's all I know. Bro, I wish we could take a boat.
Yeah, so
Then I could
next
really
time.
be a pirate. You know what
Next
I mean?
time. Whoa, what'd you say?
I want to be a pirate.
What kind of pirate? Somali pirate. I am the captain now.
He goes to Red Eye.
But yeah.
Low key, bro. This shit bug in here, bro. Look at this shit.
So,
Look at this shit.
it's a nice view.
Low key. He goes to Red Eye.
You can't get add in dooley dooley and I like dooley dooley. Alright.
Bro, it would be common.
What's up with you and people falling off?
I don't know, bro. I'm just gonna say right now. I'm not a bad person. I just like when people like are in pain. I don't know why. not like oh getting tortured. Just like when people fall down.
You like people.
Yeah, I'm be honest. I like when people are in pain. All types of things. It's kind of funny. You guys know it too. That's why you guys laugh when somebody falls or something.
So we're on the ocean right now.
The female.
We're on a jet ski. Let's get into it, boys. It's a vibe out here. Let's just turn this machine off real quick. Alright. Let's see the views. Summer vibe. Oh, man. Summer vibe. Oh, guys. I feel like just sleeping out here. You know, enjoying the time, enjoying the view. AJ though. God, bro. Should we start it back up, AJ? Rare. Be back at it like a crack at it. Turn it off. Woo. We made it quite far, guys. Oh, shit. Hey, dude, what are your thoughts so far?
Right now, I'm just looking for targets.
I try to harass the people over there.
Yeah. No, wait. I see some people on there, bro. You see that right there?
Yeah.
I think
Over there?
Yup. I think we gotta go.
Nah,
around.
they don't want it. They don't want it.
All times when I'm up to something. Money calling, gotta keep it coming. Hating on me, looking like a dummy. Don't be around me when it's looking sunny. I be living life lavish.